see my daughter?
No, I haven't. What's she look like?
Hello, my name is Jim Moore. I have been alone for the past 10 years, ever since I've lost my daughter, and I have been searching for her since then. 1998 is when I lost my daughter. 2008 it is now, and I am still looking for her. There is no signs of her. Ever since I've lost my daughter, I have been losing my mind. I have been going crazy. Lately, I have been having seizures. I lose my memory. I'm blacking out. I have been talking to certain objects that have told me that they know what has happened to my daughter. They have said that she was murdered, and they know who the killer is. Things to do next is to find these people that are responsible. Find them, stalk them, and kill them. I have a problem here. Someone is following me, watching me. Says that she knows what happened with your daughter, Jim. Maybe you should go out there and go talk to her. Hello?
I know what you did. You gotta kill him!
You don't remember abusing her, beating her with the belt? I have to leave this town before something bad winds up happening to me. She's out there, Jim. She's waiting to get you.